Yo, Rocket City Classic Cars. Beamer Sean, we're back with another video. Got my guy Chance here. Do a quick walk around. E38. I know you guys been waiting for this one.
All right, what's up, y'all? So we got the new grills. Before then, didn't even have any. Got a fresh headlight lens restoration. So the headlights are clear. Of course, we cleaned the whole exterior of the car. Took out the seats. Did the carpet. Got the nice lines in there. Still detailing the interior. We've got to do the door panels and the dash, all that good stuff. She needs a lot of work. Replace the front and rear bumpers. Did the tail lights. Replace the BMW emblems. Trim pieces. But the real magic was under the hood. Now she's not dumping a lot of oil. Painting my driveway black. All right, when this thing first got to my driveway, it didn't have an engine cover, it had a cold air intake, it was all messed up. Oil leaking from the oil filter housing lines. You can see them brand new shiny lines down there. She's got a new water pump, timing chains, thermostat. Yeah, she's running good.
We go ahead and fire it up.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna fire her up for y'all.
Get that key.
So like he said, folks, we still have a lot of work to do. I just ordered some wheel bolts. As you can see, we got mixed match wheels. I also ordered 2 window regulators for the rears, and then also the suspension parts. Tell them about that, Chance.
Oh man, so basically all new front and rear end suspension. You got struts, shocks, front upper and lower control arms, ball joints, bushings, sway bar end links. Man, this thing is gonna be tight, real tight going around them curves.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.
Y'all wanna buy, you better buy it now.
It's not for sale. So you guys remember these wheels, we got these. Need to be cleaned up a little bit. These are 19s, replicas. So yeah, folks, I'll do one little walk around and you guys can see that we are working. Well, I should say Chance is working.
And I'll have some more videos on it over at my channel, E46 Life.
E46 Life, go ahead and check that out and subscribe, y'all. We're gonna get to that headliner too. It's not sagging bad, but we're gonna get to it, y'all.
Even have to clean the door, even the field door. Trying to get all the nooks and crannies.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, we got new tail lights too. New tail lights. Well, there you have it, folks. Rocket City Classic Cars. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we're out. More updates to come.